Welcome! In front of me I have Realme Watch 3 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First thing you will need to do is to turn on the watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the side button. Keep holding the button until you see the Realme logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. And after the watch turns on, you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen. Find the language you like to use on your watch, select it, and then tap on the check mark to confirm. And after you select the language, you should see the QR code on the screen. It means we need to download and install a Realme Link application on our phone. So, make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled on your phone. Once you do, open the Google Play Store. In the Play Store, tap on search and type in Realme Link and tap on search. You should see this application, Realme Link, with this icon. Tap on the install button to download and install it. Oh, my bad. Install button. And after the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. Here tap on agree and continue. Now we can select the location, so basically you can scroll through the list of regions, find the one you want to use, tap on it to select it, and then tap on next. Then tap on got it, and you should see the home screen of the application. Now tap on pair device, tap on agree. Here tap on this window and enter the email address or phone number. Basically, if you don't have the account associated with the phone number or email address, it will move you to create account page. And if you do have the account associated with the phone number or email address, it will move you to the login page. So let's enter the email address. Tap on next. Verify. Tap on accept. Wait for the verification code on the email address. After you log in, you will get the pop-up about the permission. Tap on get it and allow the permission right here. Then tap on the screen, tap on the pair device. The app should detect your watch. Right here you should see it on the list, but if you don't see it, you can tap on watch, scroll down and select the Realme Watch 3 Pro, or tap on this icon right here to open the camera app, and then you can scan the QR code from your watch to initiate the pairing process. Okay, so let's select the watch right here if you see it. Tap on the check mark. Tap on pair. Tap on the check mark. Then tap on get started right here. Check the box. Tap on agree. And here we can basically allow or deny some permissions. So if you want to get the call reminders on your watch, you need to check this box. If you don't care, you can uncheck it. Come on. Oh, like this, by tapping on it. And you can do it for each feature right here. So we have notifications, music playback control, and weather. So if you don't want to use these some of these features, you can basically uncheck them. If you want to use them, check them. And once you're done, tap on next. And if you checked some of the features, you will need to allow permissions so they can work. And as you can see, we need to allow the notification access for the application. So we need to tap on turn on, scroll down, find the Realme Link application on the list, and tap on the switch next to allow notification access, then tap on allow. And once you allow it, you can go back to the application and you will see more pop-ups about permissions, and you need to allow them for the features to work. So let's allow them like this. And once you're done with the permissions, you should see the device page for your Realme Watch 3 Pro. And once you see it, you can also wake up the screen on your watch to see if it's working, and it should be working. You should be able to use it. And at this point, basically, your watch is paired with the Android phone. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone, of course. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.